Guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to delete your WhatsApp chat, your WhatsApp messages from your Android at once. Very easy and quickly. Let's go. Alright, you open your WhatsApp. Now this is my WhatsApp. Now I'm going to go and click on the chat I wanted to delete. Let's see. Let me go to this is the chat. You can see this chat. Oh, this chat is too much, and I want to delete everything once and for all. What we need to do is now click on this three dot. Once you click on this three dot, you can see click on more, and you see click on you can see clear chat. Click on clear chat, and also delete media. Now there's the one thing you can do here. There's a media on this your particular chat. You want to keep the media, but you want to delete all the message. Just unhighlight this and click on clear chat. But you want to delete everything, both the media, the picture, the video sent onto this from this chat on your phone. You want to delete everything. Just I just click on this and click on clear chat. You're going to see everything as clear. It has clear both on my phone and on this WhatsApp. So it's very simple. So guys, if this helps, drop a comment and subscribe.